I'm in our injection room, our education room for injections, and where we give injections if patients come in here. I'm doing Hercules Potion today. So Hercules Potion I do before all my workouts. And I don't get to get that many workouts in like I used to. So I'm getting like maybe 2 or 3 out a week, right? But I'm really hitting it really hard. I'm making sure that I go in there and I'm getting full optimal results out of what I'm doing and putting in the work. So what I'm doing today is I'm injecting Hercules Potion. I get a lot of questions on how to spot inject Hercules Potion. Now Hercules Potion can go into any muscle. It's intermuscular. And it's done with these little insulin needles. So it's not really crazy. I mean, when you compare it to a testosterone needle, and the gauge of that tip and how long it goes in, how big that is, that can be a little scary, especially if you want to do that every day or you're spot injecting muscles all over, right? So with this little insulin needle, it's really small, really easy. And what I've done is I've already cleansed the sites on my body. I want to make sure I did that before the video, and I want to make sure that was clear to you guys out there, just in case you have some bacteria or some dirt in there, you don't want to push it in. So at that point, I've already cleaned the sites. I've got my Hercules Potion. Hercules Potion is awesome. It's great for recovery with the glutamine. Arginine and the citrulline are awesome for precursors to nitric oxide, vasodilation, vascularity, right? That's what you want. You want the vascularity. You want to keep that pump for a long time. Ornithine is going to be great. Strenuous activity, workouts, jogging, hiking, paddleboarding, whatever you're doing, I promise you it will help increase that performance. Another thing is NACs in it, liver protection, proline for joints. You got taurine there for brain function, L-carnitine for weight loss. But let's get down to it. So I've already cleaned the sites. I'm going to go into my biceps, triceps, and chest today so you guys can see it right hand, first hand. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'll do the biceps. So in the biceps, usually what you want to do is you want to go center of the muscle. Now I'm a little leaner, so at that point I can definitely see all the veins. Now you're not going to go into a vein, it's not going to kill you, you're not going to do anything harmful to yourself, so don't think that. You're not going directly into a vein like a drug addict, right? So you're not doing anything like that. So basically I'm going to go at the top because I really want to work the top of my bicep, or you can work it right in the center here. And what you're going to do is you're going straight in, and nice and easy. It's going to inject right in, nice and smooth. You're going to pull it straight out, no problems. Some people might have a little blood that comes out. Don't worry, you didn't hit a vein, okay? You just might have thin blood and it might just be seeping out a little bit. Just get a little bandage, cover it up, and dab, it'll be fine. All right, so next thing is I'm gonna go bilaterally. I'm gonna go into the other bicep so you can see that one. And it's real easy, this does not hurt. I know it looks a little bit worse than what it is, but I promise you, after you do it and you understand the effects of Hercules Potion that you'll get, I promise you'll be a believer too, and you won't train out without it, like I won't train without it, and all the other guys out there that call me or text me or tell me, John, I don't know what I've done without Hercules Potion at this point. All right, so we're gonna go into the triceps, okay, and we're gonna go to the center right in here. I'm gonna go to the top of the head, and I'm gonna inject nice and smooth and easy. And you can go fast, you can go slow. It's not gonna hurt you either way, okay? Make sure it's all in. I'm gonna pull out. So we've done triceps, we've done biceps. Let's do the last tricep bilaterally, and then I'll do the chest for you guys. I always get a lot of questions about the chest. People, they really don't have a problem usually doing triceps and stuff. Biceps, they get a little scared, but there's nothing to be scared about. It's a little insulin needle, it's gonna go right in. The medication's water-based, so at that point it's not thick like testosterone. I'm just going nice and smooth and easy with you guys. So you guys can see, it just goes in nice and easy. No problems, no issues. All right, so let's clean these spots one more time because my shirt did touch it, and I want to be very detailed when I'm showing you guys this. Now, when I clean the spots, first of all, I'm only doing one wipe down. I'm not going in a circle, big circle, and spreading it across. What I do is I start in a little area, and then make a circle, and then make it go bigger. It's either that, or you dash down one time, and do not repeat over the areas because you're just pushing the germs and the dirt around again, okay? So I'm going to give it a second, right, to dry, because you don't want to push the alcohol inside the muscle when you're giving the injection. It can burn a little bit. It's not going to kill you, not going to hurt you, not going to do anything like that. But we just want to do it optimally, right? So that's why we're doing it. So we just flick that, make sure there's no little air bubbles. Now, air bubbles in this is not going to kill you either, okay? So right here, we're going to go right in the center of the chest and the muscle so it disperses evenly. right? And we're going nice and smooth in there. We can push it in there quick if you want. No pain, no problem, I promise you. All right, all you're gonna get is great results out of this. Instant gratification right off the first injection. Only takes one. I'm only showing you this because I want to make sure everybody understands that they can do the spot injections and not have any problems. So that's it, guys. I've done 6 shots of Hercules Potion right in front of you guys. I think in probably about 2 minutes. Biceps, triceps, chest area. So now you know you want to go center the muscle in these areas. You don't have to worry. It's a little insulin needle. It's going to go in very smoothly because it's water-based. You're going to get a lot of great things with the Hercules Potion and instant gratification with some great results, I promise. So if you're interested in the Hercules Potion or you want to become a patient, it's very simple and easy. Call or text 727-389-3220. We'll be able to help you out with the Hercules Potion and a lot more of other therapies we have. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Go to YouTube. Check out this instruction video. Much more of all our other videos. And thanks a lot, guys. I'm John from Titan, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Alright guys, John here from Titan. You guys just seen me inject that Hercules Potion. If you didn't, that's what I did. I usually do that pre-workout. That's my pre-workout ritual. No stimulants are in it, but for the pump, strenuous activity, all that good stuff, recovery, that's why I'm taking it. So I'm going to show you guys, this is pre-Hercules Potion. Alright, I'm heading to Crunch over here, this gym. I'm going to do some buys and tries, just pump it up a little bit, not get too crazy, but I'm going to show you guys the results of what it can do. Alright? about failure, man. The pump is real. It's so real I can't even. I get here. Hercules Potion, man. 30 to 45 minutes beforehand. Spot inject into the muscle you're training that day. I promise you will get one of the best workouts and you'll feel one of the best pumps you've probably ever had. I pretty much guarantee that. But that's what I get out of it every time. I've been using it for 3.5 years. Everybody else I talk to and uses it, that's what they get. All the way from top pros to average Joes. It's gonna work for you. It's gonna replace some of the things you already put in your body and get a lot of fillers with. Give you a higher absorption rate, faster transportation, better results, guaranteed. So check out Hercules Potion if you haven't. I mean, I've got tons of results for myself and tons of results for patients. So check out the pages if you don't believe me. Read the reviews and get pumping some Hercules Potion. Alright guys, so I just got done training. I told you guys I injected the Hercules Potion about 40 minutes right before I came and trained today. Usually it's 30 to 45, just in somewhere in between there, right before you go in if you want. And I mean, here's the effect. I mean, you've seen probably the video. I'm not getting a whole bunch of inches, but I guarantee I'm a lot harder than I was for sure. It's definitely gonna last. Definitely more vascularity, and I'm hairy, so I'm not really showing all the veins. But dude, you will definitely get a result. Plus the workout was insane. So that's what it's all about. If you can work out harder in there, you're probably gonna get better results with your muscle gains or whatever you're trying to achieve. So check out Hercules Potion, guys. I'm John from Titan, and I'm out.